this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and these recipes are coming from my heart to give to you for the season, holidays, and the feast days. Yes, indeed. This is my chicken strip, my crunchy chicken strip recipe. I want you to know they are so delicious, and you will enjoy eating them. In this bowl here, we have salt, just only salt, and let the salt sit about an hour and so it can penetrate the flesh of the chicken so when you bite into it, it has a flavor. We'll be right back to show you what other ingredients we use to make these wonderful, crispy chicken strips. All right, after they had, I guess you call brine, when you brown them in the salt. Yes, indeed. We're going to add some chicken wing sauce. Not too hot, just a little bit. We're going to add it to the chicken strips, just like this. And we're going to let them sit for another minute or two. We're just going to put them in there and make them have a good little taste. You want a little taste that's, when you don't want to eat something that's not tasty, you want it to be tasty. You don't want it to be bland. You want to have a good taste to it. So what we're doing is turn them over and let them season in this for a while, for a minute or two, and then we'll be right back and show what we do next. These gonna be so delicious. You're gonna say, I did them on my own because I got soulfoodqueen.net to show me how to do these wonderful, wonderful, delicious chicken strips. I'll be right back, y'all. As our meat is marinated in the hot wing sauce, smell delicious, y'all. We'll use black pepper. We're going to use Old Bay season. We're going to use paprika. We're going to some salt and some garlic powder. And we're going to add it to about a cup and a half of flour. And we're going to mix it all together because this is what we're going to put our meat in, our chicken in. This seasoned flour, oh my goodness, this chicken is going to be so delicious. You're going to say, oh my goodness, I done myself. Okay, we get all this together and we'll be right back. All right, what we're going to do now is dredge the chicken strips. Excuse me, y'all. Do it this way. How about that? We're going to dredge the chicken strips into the flour. Just like this. I'm going to place them in a plate. Dredge them again. Oh, they smell so delicious, y'all. We're going to dredge them again. Let's see. Get them like that. And we're going to lay them in the plate and we'll be right back. All right, what we're going to do, we already got them all floured and everything with all the flour on. So what we're going to do is dredge them back into the liquid. And we're going to dredge them back into the flour mixture. This makes them crunchy, y'all. This makes them so good and crunchy. So what we're going to do is do all over again. Dredge them back in the liquid. Just like that. And we're going to dredge them back into the flour mixture. Just like this. We're going to do this and we'll be right back. All right, after we dredge them again into the liquid and we re-season them with the seasoned flour, we're going to let them sit for about 2 hours. Yes, indeed. They're not ready to cook now. We'll let them sit for 2 hours and let them get air dry. And the air dry makes them crunchy when you deep fry them. So we'll be right back within 2 hours to let you know what they look like when we fry them. All right. It's been 2 hours or 3 hours where the chicken had air dried. That has a little crunch on top of it, and that's what you want. Now, I always add black pepper on mine, and black pepper just makes it enhance. I just like black pepper. So what I'm going to do is add the remaining of the flour, the seasoned flour, and I'm going to add it to a bag, and we're going to shake it up, and we're going to put it in a frying pan. Now, we don't want the frying pan to be too hot. We want it just right. And that's just right. It's on medium temperature. You don't want it too hot because it'll cook too fast and make it too hard. So we're going to get ready to do that right now, and we'll be right back.